Welcome. This is JP, aka King Kaizen, and today I'm gonna show you all how to add glow to your skins and as well as to your text. It's a really simple procedure and it's free, by the way. My method is free. I basically use this app called Gimp right here. As you can see by the icon, it's a relatively low intensive editing software, a good alternative to Photoshop if people don't want to spend their money for it. It gets the job done the way I want it, so I highly recommend it. It's anywhere from 20 to 30 megabytes of data. But so yeah, so the first thing you want to do is go to select, and I lied. First thing you want to do is go to transparency and then click alpha to selection. And you can also right click here to alpha to selection as well. And you want this layer mode up. If you don't see this layer mode up, sometimes it's like sometimes they have this as the default. All you have to do is click that, or if you don't see it, just hit Control L and it will pop up. Once you have alpha to selection, what you want to do is create a new layer. There you go. You want to name it glow, or you can name it whatever you want. It's alright. And make sure that it's filled in with transparency. Once you have that, you will just, I mean, it's based on preference. So you can hide that picture and we go to selection and hit grow. You want to grow it by 5. You can grow it by 10. You can grow it by 20. We're just going to do the basics and just grow it by 5. And once you grow it by 5, you want to hit the bucket icon and choose a color you want to fill it in. We'll just do white because white has a nice glow to Marla, pink Marla. So once you do that, you'll see that it's filled in with white. Now, if you want to have that little outline to it, all you have to do is click this in layers, glow, your layer, the new layer that you created and named go. All you have to do is click it, bring it under, and then make this visible. As you can see, you have a nice white glow. Now, these lines might be a little bit too hard. I prefer a little bit more like fizzled out glow, and I'll show you how to do that real simple. First thing you want to do is go to select and select to none. Once you have that, make sure that you are selected this as glow. Once it's selected, go into filters, blur, Gaussian blur, and then as you can see, it has that little, as you move it, it has that little nice bright glow to it, you see? So just move it as much as you want, and as you can see, this whole process is pretty simple. So you could do it by a little bit, as you can see right here. And then once you do that, you can go right click the glow layer, the new layer that you created, and then hit, where's duplicate layers. Once you've hit duplicate layers, you have a copy of the glow. As you can see, it made the glow a little bit stronger, which is nice. So what you can do is you can continue to add more to it to make it like, because like if you want the outer glow to be strong, you can have it. But if you want it to like little phased out a little bit more, you can continue to duplicate it as much as you want. And as you can see, you can still see that first glow right here. If you turn it off, you can see it's gone, right? So that's why it's always good to duplicate it, so you can have like that first initial boom, that first initial outline that really brings it out, and then you can have the little glow, outer glow, to like really just give it that holy effect, you know? So, and you can do this as many times as you want as well. You just experiment and whatnot. Also, for anyone wondering, this skin came from a game called Spellbreak, which is a free-to-play game on PC, and it just costs a few dollars on PlayStation. excellent game. And for my content creators, I created a Google document that has all the cutouts of skins and gauntlets that are currently in the game. So they all have transparent backgrounds. Feel free to check that out because I know masking images can be very tedious and boring. So hopefully you find this resource beneficial to you and speeds up your project times as well. So that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoy it. I'll be making another video soon about tips on how to make a thumbnail. I'll include it in the description box below once I've created it. So leave a like and subscribe so you can be on the lookouts for that video as well. It's going to be short and simple and free. The best part is going to be free. So yeah, have a blessed day, guys. Bye bye.